Welcome, first grader. How are you doing? Today in computer, we are gonna learn the mouse, about the mouse and its function. Are you excited? Please, all of you, open page number 31 with me. What is a mouse and what does it have to do with the computer? Can you answer me? The mouse is a tool that points at things on the screen or on the monitor and lets us make choices easily in Windows. Why is it called a mouse? Only because looks like a mouse. Yes, cute, huh? There is two buttons for the mouse, the left button and the right button. The pointer of the mouse often appears as an arrow that moves as the user moves his hand. The pointer arrow of the mouse, as you can see in this picture. Can you see this arrow? The mouse comes in different size and shape and colors. It could have three buttons instead of two. Also, the pointer of the mouse is not always an arrow, just like you see. I am pointing with a little hand. Can you see it? Yes? How to hold the mouse? I show it to you in the last lesson, but I'm gonna repeat it for you. The mouse is held and used as you first of all, you put your right hand on the mouse. Only and only your right hand. You use the thumb and the two small fingers. You have to use your fingers to move the mouse on the pad of the mouse. Put your pointing index finger on the left button and put your middle finger on the right button as I showed to you in the last class. Movement of the mouse. Pointing, as you can see in the first picture, you use your pointing finger to pointing. The second picture, as you can see, we click on the left button to click. If we want to open something, you press quickly two clicks on the left button. And if you want the right click, as you can see, you will use the small finger, the middle one, to use the right click. You click on the right button. And the last movement you will learn is to click and drag. When you press and hold on the left button while moving the mouse at the same time. Moving the mouse on the mouse pad in any direction makes the pointer. This arrow moves on the screen in the same time. Look at my small hand or my arrow. It is moving that because I am moving the mouse around on my pad. Now, let's try to click by using my pointing finger. We will solve the activity or try to use these activities in the next lesson, inshallah. Okay, double clicking. Double clicking on an item on the screen will open the corresponding windows or execute it. يعني بينفذ المهام اللي أنا بدي إياها. إذا بدي أفتح إشي I will double click on an icon to open it. Okay? And if I want to close something, I will double click on this button. The right-clicking on an item on the screen opens a list of different choices that can make. The list may be different from one item to another. Look at the screen. I am clicking on the right screen. There is a menu pops up, right? That's every icon. If you wanna right-click on it, it will give you different menu. We will try to make by yourself using the mouse and do the right-click, okay? And finally, click and drag. A click and drag is used to move an icon. You will click and drag something to move an icon from place to a new place on the screen. It ends when the button is released. Have you enjoyed the lesson? I will see you next time, inshallah. Bye. Was teacher Bushra Jude from Smart Academy, Smart Application Academy. Goodbye.